Hey everyone! Waving hand, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail, updated for 2025. Whether you're setting up email with a third-party app or troubleshooting outgoing mail issues, this step-by-step tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right into it. First is open your Zoho Mail website. Next, click on the settings. Then scroll down and find the mail accounts and click it. Go to SMTP section. Now turn off the option that says Save Copy of Sent Emails, then click Save. SMTP will be enabled automatically and you're done. And that's it. Party Popper, you've successfully enabled SMTP in your Zoho Mail account. Quick and easy, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.